guys, are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Let me just check that. Anyways, are we live? I hope we are live. I hope we are live. Yes, we are live. Just the voice is a bit like low, but everything is fine. So we'll start with our dread for today. This is our A plus zone for today. But here, what we need is uh, a little bit of, you can say, kind of a confirmation from here. Fine, when it touches this point, we will have to verify it. Now, why is this a A plus level for us? Because if we go to the 5 minute time frame, it is an order block from where there is a breakout structure with a power candle within that region. So, now what we'll do is when it taps this zone right over here, we will verify if there are more buyers or sellers. So, according to that, we check the delta, and according to that, we will take the trade. So today is NFP. I'm going to stay live till NFP. Okay. We'll try to make money. If we don't, then that's fine. Okay. But our risk is going to be bare minimum, and our TP is going to be more than what we expect. Okay. So let's see what happens. You don't have to take a direct entry because if you take a direct entry, there is always a chance of you getting stopped out. So that's why I'm just saying do not enter. Okay. The sellers definitely decreased. Look at that. From this candle, the sellers have decreased and there are less sellers and buyers are still low, but delta if you check is good. Now let's see this candle. Now it depends on this candle and the other candle after this. High risk you can take if you want to take from a high risk, guys. I'm telling you, it is very much high risk right now because I'm still waiting for a confirmation right here. And if we don't, then of course no setup. That might be a really good candle to enter on, but still wait. Okay, you can enter if you want. Let's take a buy. You can if you want. It is still a high risk trade, of course. I'll take a buy also. Still a high risk it is, and SL is below here, but I have placed it right here. Okay, for this. Let's still check the thing over here. Okay, because if you see continuously selling is decreasing and decreasing. On that basis, I have taken this trade, but let's see what happens. SL should be here and this there, yeah, but still. Here also, I think there is buying, right? Yes, it's buying. Let's see what happens. Has given us confirmation, but still I'm a bit scared to enter this trade. 5 minutes I wanted to go on. Wherever I want to. 5 minute time frame. So here we need to watch out according to the 5 minutes time frame. Here you will need to watch out. Even if this trade goes up, you need to watch out here. In this zone, you need to exit at least half. That is mandatory. If it goes up. If it doesn't, then that's a different story. But let's take the previous candle. There was a lot of buying, decreasing, selling, and buying. That is a good sign till now. And this candle is doing like that, so it is also a good sign. Let's just hope it closes to the upside, not like this. No, 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 upside. Shall we place a power? This is the power which we have, the plane. Let's go up. Let's go up. Here there is selling which worries me again. No, this is not your SL first of all. This is not the SL. SL is here, okay? It's not this SL. I've already told you at the beginning also that this is not the SL. This is the SL because this whole thing is a zone. So sometimes it is that buying starts from the middle. That happens. Let's see. I think sellers are decreasing though. I am just feeling that, but again, my feeling does not define the market. Market does its own thing. That is a very good candle. Let's go up. That is a very nice candle. The closing is a very nice candle. Yes. There are chances it might go up. So again, it is just chances. It is not like it's confirmed or something. Always in trading, there are chances. What I was worried about is basically there was a huge sell-off here, this area. So that was worrying me. But here, if you check, oh wow, nice, nice. Look at that. Let's go. Let's fucking go. Let's don't celebrate too early. If you want to exit half, exit half, around half over here somewhere. Okay. My entry was here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Exit half or bring your SS to break even. Any of the following you can do because now you're gonna face some resistances over here. Exit half, please guys. Exit half. I say please exit half. Please fucking exit half. Here we are going to face a bit of resistance or problems, but I don't think so. We will face. Let's see. Still, there are chances that we might face. Yeah, we are facing problems. I'm gonna just close the trade right here because there is a demand. No, I'm not gonna. Okay, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold. Let's just hold. SL is already break even for me, so I'm not gonna worry now. Let's just see if there is any selling over here. Okay, let's go up. Half you have booked, I guess, and the other must be break even or something, right? Am I right, guys? You have booked half, right? So that's good. You'll exit in profit still, even if your break even goes. Right, guys? Am I right or am I wrong? I think I'm right over here. That's why nobody's saying anything. Okay, let's go up. I can personally close over here as well. What do you guys think? Shall we close? 5 minutes, is it 5 minutes? Yeah, it's 5 minutes half. You can close if you want to. I'm closing now because I have not closed half. So I'm closing here. But it's still gonna go up. This position on this account is open. Still. I'm holding on this. Because this is a very small position, so that's why I'm holding. Otherwise, on my other account, I'm holding a very big position, so that is not good for me. It's going up, it's going up. Okay, I have entered again. Okay, fine. Oh, please don't go selling. Please go up. But this time with very small position, I have entered. Okay, so that because of course I know I don't have to enter a mid trade. That is the most uh, horrible thing that you could can do. So that's why I've entered with less quantity this time. Yes, you will face some resistances over here, and that is true. But if you see the bias is bullish, So that is good. Let's go up. Here also selling is pretty much very less. First of all, bias plays a very big factor if you look. It's all bullish, so the bullish order block is there. So bias plays a very nice and a very big role. So it tapped here, buying is still there. And if this goes buying, then we can say it's still neutral and it might still go up. And then it depends on the bias. Okay, it's going. It was going. Let's fucking go. It's going. TP is same, okay? That is your TP. Oh, let's fucking go. Wow, guys, wow. That signifies that there is buying, not selling. This is also buying. So it means it depends on the bias and it's gonna go up. Hopefully. Let's go up. Let's fucking go. There is a few selling over here, selling orders. Here you can see in the order book as well. Fucking go. Shall I close or no? What do you guys think? Let's just leave it then, I guess. You guys will say, of course, hold. Let's hold. You will, okay. No. Let's go buying. Fucking go buying. Who's selling over here? But I guess now if it has mitigated with such momentum over here, it's gonna go up. It's going up. MT5 tells you faster than anything. Let's go. Go. Please go now, please. I'm saying please. Don't do a DP. This is the problem now. Here there is this high and liquidity over here resting. It means that it might go up. It's going. It's a good candle going up till now. By the way, I think there is now a function named as volume profile as well. Was this before also or is it now only? Exit the other 25%. Exit that. That is fucking TP. That's fucking TP, guys. Let's go. $41 for today. Done. In how many minutes? And that's 13 minutes. Given you guys a trade. Made money myself. What do you guys say? What the fuck? Why does this not close? Okay, I think it will close. Let me just refresh this. Sometimes it does not close. Let's just close it manually. Perfect position. Let's fucking go. I told you guys I wouldn't come live if I would have faced a loss today for the next week. But now I'm coming live. You guys must be now happy about this. Bias plays a vital role in shaping this. One more thing, look at this. R1 setup. Yeah, this is that's why it worked. Okay, look here also. First of all, we had this volume profile. Sorry, the order flow. Then this R setup. So both setups. I did not look onto the higher time frame like this, but I just looked that okay, there is what do we call that? There is a demand zone. So I took it like that. But yes, it's a valid trade. See here, okay, demand zone is here. So when did I take? Okay, I did not take this. You took this, not this. But this was a possible trade. See over here, this very big that, and then from here buying stop loss just below this, and 1:2 at least like is the liquidity, and then maybe you could have gone 1:3 maybe. Okay, if you would have seen there is no reaction from this after liquidity. So I hope you guys are happy with this setups and all that. We have made profit, and $50 we have done in just two trades. Sorry, one trade. For two trades is just I'm counting that I took two entries. How many pips? 72 pips done for today. Let's just do this. But if a market structure should set up forms towards the sell side, then selling also will work. This was just that order flow. In order flow, you have to follow the order flow. So that's the thing. Like here, I'm confused. See, yes, okay, fine, fine. Understood that. See, I'm going to show you a selling example, even though the buyer is buying. Look at this. This closed above the previous candle's body. Sell off from here. I know it powered up for bullish from here, I guess. Um, that is because no, that all checklist it follows. Sell off we can plan from here. I just know that sell off can be planned from here. So it was going to be planned here. Then this should have been the target. Why did it just bounce off? That is my doubt over here. It just bounced off of there from the half of the zone it bounced. I guess when you are trading, what do we call it? That you are trading counter trend, then it is of course like that. Okay, this was the demand on the higher. No, this was the demand on the higher time frame. That's why. And the bias was already bullish, so that's why it powered up from here. But sometimes it gives you full TP as well. That is one more thing. Let's check if it follows almost all the criteria. I think yes, it follows this. Then it follows this criteria of this. It follows all criteria. I don't know why it did not hit that TP. I guess it is that only that counter trend we are trading, so we have to be careful with that. Okay, if higher time frame is this is here, then that. And this was especially one what you can say one of the demand zones. That's why. Now I understood. It was one of the demand zones, and that's why it gave like that. So you guys must be asking me why didn't this work? Well, I generally take that okay, half of the candle was this, and then it has still powered up. But if we check over here, clearly we check first of all here, there is like you can see a selling here, sorry, buying over here, and also if you check very much carefully, I have been trading all the setups which have almost more than the previous candle, so that we know okay that yeah this of high of the previous candle is being broken. Almost every setup I'm taking like that. High or the body of the candle has to be broken, at least that. It should be like still here in one candle. Remember. Like here, powered off till here. I think there is setup or here or no. There was no setup, but still this key over here and higher time frame demand zone. Price powered off, powered up from here. This whole zone, and it went so high up. Look at that. If you're trading with the trend, then it's good. But like again, if you are trading without the counter trend, then also it is fine. But still, you have to be careful of the demands and extreme supplies. Supposedly, like if you can see over here, the selling which we were doing here, right? From where we were doing here. Now, if we take the 15 minutes time frame, has there been significant buying from that zone? Let's check. Okay, this was the zone. Yes, there was significant buying from this zone. There was an FBG. But now if you want to see, okay, selling one level broke the buying level or the liquidity, then in that case what you will need is, now you will just check that. I will show you. This is the 15-minute time frame. Now here suppose you see this or that on the top you see and this happens and then it will traces back. And your liquidity is resting where? Right over here. And therefore this UTP is hit. But why did it do that? Now if you check the 60 minutes time frame, again you have to multi time frame you have to look at. Okay. So now if you check, this is the liquidity. Right here also there is uh, that buying, yeah, it's still there. Yes, still there is buying over here, but still went down. There is some kind of pattern which we have to notice. Let's just see that. Again, sometimes it hits the TP, sometimes that is it is there is no way to tell that now. Again, that is the thing. It is just with the volume profile or maybe with order flow you can check. There is no way to tell that. You will have to carefully just do it. This is an invalid setup. Why? It has not engulfed the previous candle's body, and neither there is displacement. This might even just reverse to the upside. There are more chances of doing that from the 5 minutes time frame. This order block. But we are done for the day with the normal trades. But in the NFT, we are going to go mad, brothers. Now here we are going to either do a loss or profit. Let's see what happens. Let's just film a video for Telegram. Sorry, not Telegram, Instagram. Yeah, guys, you guys are asking me to come back on Telegram. We will come back very, very much soon. Let me make one video so that at least there is some storage because my phone is almost full. And I think I'm gonna have to buy a new one. But later we're gonna buy. I'm not gonna buy right now. Fine. Let's film it. Okay, is this a setup first of all? No, this is not. Already I've told you the reason also. Okay, that's fine. So guys, keep it on live stream here. You can check. Keep it on the live stream. You can check we're live, and then we have just done the live stream for half an hour, and we have already hit TP over here, from here, from to till here, and we're just done for this. They are like not the day, but we're done for the normal trades. But now we're gonna go mad in NFP. Okay, we're going to do the trade now in NFP, non farm payrolls that we're going to trade now. And I'm just waiting for that, and then till now we'll just chat with the other people, and we're just gonna enjoy. That's done. Now, guys, usually what happens is if you see some kind of this selling, it means that the selling pressure is decreasing. So you must be saying, okay, no, no, that's wrong. It's not wrong. It's true. Let's check 5 minutes time. Again, this has come to that order block type, order block, but it has not broken a significant high. That is the thing. But yet the bias is bullish, so we're going to look for bullish option. Now let's check. This has just tapped and there is already buying. We'll wait for 2 3 candles. We're not taking this trade. I'm just doing it for my confirmation, showing you. My pro is I was not talking about which news. I think a news came out at 5 p.m. somewhere. At 5 p.m. there's no reaction. That must be for another currency. What? And if you already can know it has not come. I mean, there's no. NFP has not come yet. NFP is at 16. It's not out yet. Yeah. I mean, we have already done our TP for today, but we are going to be waiting till the NFP. I have made $41 today done for the day, but we are going to trade NFP also. See, selling pressure was decreasing. Look at that as it was approaching. It might go up from here as well. I'm not taking this trade because we are done for the normal trade. We are now gonna trade the NFP. But we need more confirmation. It is not complete yet. We want that okay, there is buying in that. Here it is buying decreasing, selling pressure, buying, and then buying over here as well. A little yes, yeah. It might go up. Guys, I'm gonna actually put the chat over here and this over here so that we can see the chat as well as that. Okay, there is selling also here. Or there is okay, it's less selling, it means it's fine. And that is a setup, brothers and sisters. That's a setup. That is our, we can say. So, yesterday's loss, I figured out the reason that was this only. That on the top, this candle has to be in bulk. That was a minor thing, minute thing. Yet, that did not work. So, I think that 6 hour losses. Come on, man. That's the kind of a day we want. I'm gonna get copyrighted here, right? First, man. First. I'm looking on to Instagram videos like this. Wow. Let's get a hard handle to the upside. I have not taken this trade. I am clearly specifying that. Just remember, I have not taken. Even if it goes to TP, I don't care. I have taken this or I have not taken this trade. Okay. Just watching a video on YouTube. Oh, yo, bro. Oh no. I think I spoke too soon. I spoke too soon. course, man. I guess that was the A plus one. This is still a good level. It's not a A plus one because there is no displacement from here. I think there is displacement, but no break or structure. But still, it's gonna go up. I think. Guys, I don't know how I did a loss in FOMC, but working is fucked up in FOMC. Previously, we got. I should have come a bit late, but then you wouldn't have gotten that rate. That which we got earlier. I think they're going to be selling from here on. What is this problem? Okay, let's see. So first, this is the candle. Fuck. So this is the candle that tapped here, selling game, buying, selling, buying, selling. Let's see what happens to this. I mean, I have not taken this trade. Clearly, I'm saying I was just aiming that okay, it might go up again because selling was just buying was here and it was just a messy condition over here. That's why I'm saying. But even after if it goes up, then that's a different story. But I have not taken this trade. Clearly, I'm saying it's not a A plus one as it has not broken a significant high. But guys, our TP for today is done. Now, even if that goes to SL, otherwise, if anybody has taken this trade, I have not taken. I've already told, but if you have, 1 is to 1 means break even. Fine, so 1 is to 1, this was the that 05, this was it. So, break even, I think you would have done by now if anybody had taken it. Or maybe from here, wherever you have taken the trade, I don't know. But this is not a A plus zone, I've already told you. It's a good zone, but not a A plus zone. Because here there are chances that price might create a what do we call it market structure shift, and then that is going to be a big problem if that is found. I don't hope so that is found. I don't hope. Okay, that like about that, but still we are waiting if this goes up or not. The live stream is just right over it. Let's see what happens. Let's see. There is selling from the upper zone that is a severe problem, but it might just go up from here and there. There is going to be a big candle from here. I am hoping. Big candle from here because it's gonna sweep all this liquidity and also maybe it's gonna take out all this liquidity first and then it's gonna go up. That is one of my predictions. What can happen? Let's see what happens. But I am hoping, surely hoping for a big reaction. There we go. I said it. Big reaction from the zone and it's a big reaction. Fucking told you. Prediction is correct, my man. Now it might have not like gone up till there, but still, it is a big reaction. I told, fucking told that. I'm not getting any insider information. I'm already telling you, it's my prediction which I'm doing. based upon liquidity topics and all, and my experience with the markets for the 1 year. So when you lose, don't think that you lost. Think that you gained something new. That's how the market works. Target is the this liquidity. Okay, guys, that is nice. I told you that big reaction was going to come from here when there was not. If you don't believe me, rewind the live. You'll see that. We're gonna post a clip about this as well. Oh my man, I told you. I told you there's going to be a big reaction from this zone. I even drew a line so that you guys believe us. Believe me. Because I knew that price has to take out this liquidity and this liquidity. It took out this liquidity from here, this candle's liquidity, and then it went up. Now it has taken this liquidity. Now it might give us a big selling reaction too. There are chances because this has taken just that out. There might be a selling reaction. No, but there is buying in the thing. Order flow it is saying buying, so I think it's still gonna go up. Let's see what happens. Big selling reaction, just like what I expected. But if anybody would have taken this from here, I always say that in SL, 1:1 do break evens. So you must have done that break even. Or at least half quantity booked. I hope so. Half will be here and then all that. There we go. Buying from here as well. I think this liquidity just got taken out. I think my experience with the market. I don't regret like not taking this. I'm just yeah, it's fine. Let it go. We're gonna take this grand finale. Just check trade FX book. There we go. Huge buying reaction. I think anybody who has taken a trade will hit your TP and all. There we go. One more trade. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go. Here there might be a few selling. Take out half. Half shall be taken up. That's what we do on our lives. I know yesterday we did a loss, but the next day we come back stronger, even stronger. That's how we fucking do this. I told you half positions I think exited here. That's done. But still, it's gonna go up. Overall bias is bullish. But my other strategy does not require the bias to be bullish. The other one. This one requires, or this one also does not require, but for the whole TP you require the bias. So I take the bias. Otherwise, in my other strategies, I don't require the bias. I reverse the bias. I take a selling trade. This also does not require. So all of my strategies go counter trend, not with the trend. That's why I don't even require the bias. I think half is exited. That is good. Now there is a lot of selling. This is what I hoped for because if you see, I think half is exited here, half SL break even still in profit. That's why I told you because there was a sweep here. Market came back with the dominance. I think break even's gone or no? No, still not gone. See if this gives us a very like if it just retraces back, you know what I'm saying, right? If it retraces back to this and it does not give us an FVG, it means that all the selling orders were executed. And now that there will be no more to be like executed, there is FVG, it means there can be more orders. Fuck. but it is not twice the previous candle. 8% of that. Yeah. So it's still buying. And this candle is giving us that confirmation. Look at that. 300 plus orders for buys over here, and there was more, but buying from this zone. It can explode now. There we go. When we make the prediction, it goes up. Okay, it retraced back down, but it might give us a very big reaction now. For genuine, I'm just hoping that it give us, but it's still less. Hoping for a very very big one, like a one candle or a two candle TP. I'm hoping for. Let's see what happens. Wow, predictions are almost always right, but still it is not a two candle TP. It is a five six candle TP. Unless this candle gives us the TP. PC is getting really warm. Releasing very hot here. Because while live streaming, I don't know what's the problem, guys. But yeah, there we go. Two candle TP might be possible. Again, guys, our prediction is almost always true. You know us, but my live stream day. Oh my god! Fuck, fuck, man, fuck, fuck it. Still not two candle TP. Still no. It's not a two candle TP. Yet our reaction that was good. Fuck, man, fuck. Now it's gonna break this. It's gonna go up now. Now it's TP. Almost confirmed TP now. Mostly, I think TP is going to go now. Like this is gonna go. Now a little bit consolidation here and then go up. I think that, or either it's gonna just smash through it. But I think this is going to be the most probable cause. So we might wanna wait a bit. You can exit half if you haven't already. Half point it. I'm going to just unfriend and present the entire, not the entire screen, but that window. Chrome tab, we are going to present that. Is that correctly visible or no? But let's just see what happens. I want it to be good for our TP and all. Also in the chat, how much money you made? Write in the chat. How much money you guys made? This week I'm up. Let's see how much. $88. We are up. I told you it's gonna just do some consolidation. Let it do. Let this motherfucker do anything. There is no problem. We are gonna wait for the TP. See, there is negative selling again. See, that is a huge buying, and then buying and selling, buying, buying. Before that, also buying here. Buying. Yep, it's gonna give us TP, man. Let me just put something here. It's gonna give us TP. I'm saying that. This is just to trick the seller, trick into selling. Just that. Otherwise, even you have done break even, so it does not even matter if it goes down. Those 50% you have already exited. Why the fuck does that even matter now? It's gonna go up. I'm just thinking that, and I think it's gonna go up. Because it's not a two candle DP, but I don't know what's the bad luck with me, but when I put this alarm on the thing, on the TP, it never goes to there. It always fucking returns to the break even or hits it. Maybe a big reaction. Maybe. Just maybe. This time it is a maybe. It's just too much of consolidation. Break even's gone. I think. Or no. Break even 100% gone. Still you guys made some profits I think here. 50% I told you guys to exit, right? So you guys made some profits. See again I told you earlier in the beginning of the lesson, sometimes it hits TT, full liquidity, otherwise sometimes it does not. It totally depends on the market conditions and all that. But still RSL originally you can take it as here as well. So that it can still go up. But I don't suggest you guys to re-enter. I don't suggest, okay? Please do not re-enter. I'm just telling you that it might go up. But please do not re-enter. See again, I told you there might be a big reaction from here as well. Because it has just taken all that liquidity. This low liquidity, and now if it closes above this body, there's chance of that it can go up. Little bit chances are still there. But I don't suggest you to risk it. I had already told you that okay, it might fall from here. Okay, told you. Because original SL was here only. Told you. Because again on the 5 minute SL original is here only. Down here. So again, haters, I'm gonna cook your asses. Because one person on that day, on Monday, I don't know. On Monday, one person came. I don't know who was that, but somebody said that SL will be it and something will be it. I told that because on that day we hit an SL, and that day that person came. I told him, don't doubt us. We cook people like you. I told them. So NFP is here. This is 6 p.m. NFP. Non-farm payroll. That is NFP. Still we have a lot of time. The clocks have 28, 27 minutes right now. What do you think? This is not NFP. These are small, small moves. NFP is going to come like till here somewhere. If it goes up. So that's from this terrace. It's going to be a huge reaction like 500 pips candle. 500 pips, I'm going to calculate and show you how much is 500 pips from here. See, if this is the normal market from here, 500 pips you move to the upside. That is 500 pips. That kind of a candle you might get. That is NFT. NFT has the power to blow our accounts. Again, FA is going on here. Again, FA. But again, I have already told you do not re-enter. It's just for looking that okay, it might go up. Fine, it might go up. I was just saying. We're gonna cook NFP. I hope we might go into loss as well. Might be. I'm gonna do that on other accounts so that we don't do in our main account. Now I'm gonna rest for a bit. I'm gonna eat something and I'm gonna stay live. But let's see what happens. I'm gonna try taking random setups. Please do not take them, okay? This is just I'm going to wait and I'm gonna sit completely blank. Let's just wait. I'm gonna come. I'm back. Now it is definite SL, but again, sometimes it goes yes, original SL was this, and sometimes I told you it goes up till here only, and sometimes it hits full. Sometimes it is full liquidity. Sometimes it is half of the other order block or the supply zone. And also this was a good zone, not a plus zone because no structure broken. Hence broke. Why did this not work? But I'm gonna count it as a winning trade because I told you guys to 1:1 break even. Here it was break even. 50% exit here, and then came down and hit our break even. So two profits for this live stream. First one was insane. This is where the most volume came. Volume profile. In this volume profile, there was one FBG formed. A trade could have been planned for selling from here, according to this uh, volume profile. So I use many tools, I use many strategies, many confirmations. My 1 year experience includes a lot of things. We cook the markets. When markets cook us, we cook the markets better, even better. Waiting. By this time, I think NFP is going to be selling. How I'll tell you. From this zone somewhere here, I don't know, or here, somewhere here, selling from here, SL above this, and then your TP might be a big TP, guys, big TP, like that. This might be your setup for NFP. But before SNC, sorry, not SNC, before NFP, this should not be activated. Even if it does, then also it's gonna go sell. Going fast. Even if we don't need a setup in NFP, then also it is fine. I think we have other news this month as well. See, CPI, 12, CPI the next day. We are going to wait for our best quality setup. I want slow movements now. And remember, if before news there is buying a little bit, it means that news is selling. There is buying, there is selling before news. It means it could be buying the news prediction. Please wait. Do not give the whole move before the NFP. We want this move in the NFP. We want this fucking move in the NFP. We don't want it now. Let's check if Umar Punjabi is live. He is live. Let's see what he says about his prediction. What does he say?
Oh, sorry. My mic was muted. I'm sorry. Welcome to the 100th stream.
Fuck.
I can't believe that we're sitting in the 100th stream.
No, bro, we don't want it before.
Because कुछ देर
Fuck,
पहले हम ऐसी
man.
बातें कर रहे थे जिसकी वजह से माइक म्यूट करना ही बेहतर था हमारे लिए.
Fuck, man. We wanted. First time I am being sad for hitting a TP. But it is before a news.
तो 15 मिनट में NFP है.
15 minutes. 15 more minutes. Let's see what he predicts about the news.
Next up यही है.
Let's see what he does. I mean, it's falling like
Honestly
crazy.
बोलूँ तो आज गोल्ड को देख के सबसे पहली चीज तो आज गिव अवे भी है. आप लोगों को अगर पता हो, याद हो, we have a giveaway as well. गिव अवे कर रहे हैं 100 अकाउंट्स का. इतना बड़ा गिव अवे क्या है सब बताऊंगा. बट आज गिव अवे भी है, वो जो हम करेंगे न्यूज के मुंह आने के बाद. ठीक है, अभी वेट करते हैं न्यूज का.
I'm genuinely confused now.
मुझे आप लोगों से और कुछ बातें करनी है, तब न्यूज आ जाए उसके बाद.
I'm genuinely confused for this.
Crazy vibe, crazy. The streams,
But I
so much
expect
money made,
my TP to to be this
so
liquidity.
much love.
So I am going to go
Crazy.
selling in live. Oh, sorry, in NFT. My bias is selling. Till now. Let's just hope price consolidates here. Like that. Let's hope that. And then when NFP is there, damn. Like that. We want like that. Then it will be a very nice opportunity. But where will we keep our SL? SL will be very big.
Money follows hustle. न्यूज के बाद गिव अवे करेंगे. पहले देखते हैं न्यूज क्या करता है, उसके बाद गिव अवे की बात करेंगे.
Let's see what is his bias, and then we'll take our also. We'll try to compare it. We are on the $5,000 account. If this gets blown, I don't care. But $1,000 account which I have, I have to keep it safe. Even if this blows, I don't care. But we're gonna go selling with less amount. Okay, we're gonna go with 0.02 loss. Okay. Yeah, please consolidate like this, please. And we will take from help from the order flow also. There is fucking buying.
Honestly बोलूँ, अगर आप सुनना चाहोगे कि मेरा क्या व्यू है एनएफटी को लेके,
Yeah, let's listen to him.
I am a little confused.
He's also
मेरे
confused.
हिसाब से प्राइस को ऊपर जाना चाहिए.
He believes it's gonna go up.
बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर एक्सपेक्टेड भी है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये वाला जो एनएफटी है, ये दोनों साइड स्पाइक मार सकता है.
Oh fuck. He says it might spike both sides.
स्पाइक दे सकता है, इसमें आप लिक्विडेट हो सकते हो.
Fuck man.
एंड आज इट इज बेटर that we wait for the move to happen. क्योंकि एनएफपी में कभी क्या होता है, आप अभी आप कोई भी एनएफपी देख लेना,
He will not
एनएफपी
trade
क्या होता है,
NFP. He,
एनएफपी एक
but
बड़ा
I
मूव
will
देता है,
trade. And it's gonna be
एनएफपी
sell. I
एक
hope.
बड़ा मूव देता है, ठीक है, एक बड़ा मूव देने के बाद पुल बैक आता है और फिर वो बड़ा मूव पे कंटिन्यूएशन आता है.
He's gonna like wait for a very big move of that NFP, and then he's gonna wait for pullback and then continuation to the upside. He's gonna wait for that, but we are gonna go for sell. See guys, if the market now just goes like that, then we are going to place a sell stop here, and when price comes below this, it's gonna activate and then it's gonna go down. That's my point of view. But for that, we need at least one. It's just going down and down. We want it afterwards. Fuck. Please consolidate. Now here it is a very big problem. But what can we say here? One time it has already been touched. It might be that the second time it might not give a very huge reaction. Might be. For now it is giving us, but let's see what happens. 200 something and here selling has come. Let's analyze this. Uh, it touched the zone. Has it touched the zone? Not even touched the zone, and we are saying okay, it might go up. He is right that it might spike here first and then go up, but there is also a chance that it might just go down from here. I'm personally gonna go for downside. 10 minutes till NFP. Countdown must go on. I am personally going for selling because if you see even here, like even if you see check here, suppose it tapped here. Okay, here it gave buying, here it gave buying, it gave buying over here. But then you can see one, two, three sellings also you can see. And before that also selling. So it is mostly towards the downside. I am hoping it goes towards the downside. You can clearly see that because selling, then a little bit of buying is there, and then selling is coming. Again, I might be wrong. It might just go up from here as well. But again, there is no order block in between. So that is one more reason. And also, one time the order block has been tested, and there has been a market structure shift on the higher time frame as well. So, keeping that in mind, there might be a move that it might spike up till here, and then it might go down. Keeping that in mind, we are going to hope for the best, and your SL might be here. You can keep according to this. This is just for showpiece. Just wait and also set up your buy sell stops here. Not right now, okay? NFP I think is gonna go down. 62% of the people are saying it's gonna go for buying, and the other, oh no, we don't want this move. Holy fuck! Go up from here a little bit at least. And we should always trade a order block which has only one touch. Second touch never is the best. It is only the first touch is best. Like first hand is best. Second hand is not best. Yet it has not done a breakfast. That is good. Keep consolidating. I am confused where to keep my stop loss because it might give a very big spike. Let's see. Again, NFP is the most dangerous news. 1 minute before we will enter. Now, if we do a stop loss, then fine, totally fine. We will do better in CPI, of course. Then So sell stops should be put because sell stops are 100% better. Sales. Price is how much? If price is broken, let's keep it somewhere here so that even if it goes a little bit down. And please, oh my god, please do not activate. Please do not make sure that it does not get activated before the NFP. Now, if it does, then we cannot say anything. Oh man, just go a little bit up. Just go around here somewhere, here. Make a range like that. I'm so sad to hit a TP like this. It is ruining all our chances of going up. Let's see, 6,000 people have voted for 62% of the people out of that has voted for buy. That is the thing. News liquidates all those buyers. So it might be that selling is the one that it goes to. Now please go up. Please hold so that we can hope for selling. We will activate our buying somewhere here, selling here somewhere, okay? Maybe here. 5 minutes till NFP. So keep your that what do we call it? The sell stops. 309 here somewhere, okay? Otherwise it will not get activated. Simply that. That's why I keep the sell stops and all that. 0. Stop loss is I'm confused where to keep. Here somewhere maybe. It's a very big SL. 4 again it's a very big SL. That is the problem. But in the news, what can we do? We have to keep it. Where is our thing? There somewhere. 904. Yes. Please do not let it activate before the news. Please do not let it get activated before the news. Keep you can keep here. The price has gone too much up. 293. 293.49. 0.49. Shall we place it? Let's see what happens. Let's just that is placed. Cell stop has been placed. SL is approximately $6 now. Where have we kept? Here 20 we had to keep the SL I think. 21 somewhere here, right? It's a big SL and PP is $31. That is a 1 is to 1 is to 1. I'm very much nervous. It's 3 minutes or only. Let's see what happens. Let's open Umar Punjabi as well.
Go करें retracement करें फिर watch
He is making buy
you
position.
clear
I
the
think
account take a break. Okay.
that is not good. If that big YouTuber is making that kind of a thing, then it's bad. It's actually fucking bad. But there is no setup for buys which can support my this thing.
3 मिनट बचे हैं भाई 3 मिनट
3 minutes. If it's giving us buying before this, then it means it's a manipulative move. It means selling is the actual thing, I think.
मंडे को 100 नहीं होता आपने कहा वैसे होगा तो ऑब्वियसली
Let's see what happens. Right now, it's still 1 minute till NFP. Let's wait. Oh, he's saying that price is gonna go down. Today's okay. Oh my God, sell stop got activated. Fuck. Sell stop got activated before. How can that be possible? It went buying. What? Fuck. What the fuck? But again, I told you that this should not be activated before selling that. Thankfully, I closed. Thankfully. Thankfully, I closed because I knew that if it gets activated before that, it means that it's not gonna go then. It swept this liquidity, went up. Now, this was not our setup, so of course, no setups. Thankfully, exited here only in $2 profit only. Thankfully. I thought NFP came before. How the fuck it gave. And I told you it might give a big news. See how many pips. Told you 500 pips something. So that's same. Well, it has been two newses and we have not made a single profit. But we have also not done a loss in this. So that's a good thing. It swept this. There was no way to tell that it was gonna go by. No fucking way. Oh yes, let's fucking wait for that. Let's check what was the market showing us before the NFT. What was the market showing us here? Confetti. I mean, what the fuck, man? Oh shit. We could have planned this setup. Oh shit. This thing is your thing. Check the 1 minutes. I always realize this mistake afterwards. Fuck man, we could have planned this.
Join the Discord. Finally, join Discord. That will Discord join करना है. Second, you have to make sure that आप टिकट चोरी को फॉलो कर रहे हो. थर्ड स्टेप, आपको दो फ्रेंड्स को Discord में इनवाइट करना है एंड उसका देर फेस लेटर्स को सिलेक्ट किया जाएगा एंड यू विल बी गिवन a $5,000 amount of purely because आप स्पीक वेल you participate. All you have to do is make sure that other person follow कर रहे हैं. If you are somebody जिसने already fully get your from the world, आपके साथ में ज़्यादा है लेकिन and ये steps जो है आपको follow करने हैं. अगले हफ्ते अगले फ्राइडे को अगले सैटरडे को हम अनाउंस कर देंगे.
Fine, fine, okay. So if you see here, continuous buying pressure was seen over here. Continuous from here, buying, and then buying, and close, small selling. According to this, a little bit of sweep also. But you can see this setup could have been planned from here somewhere. I could have planned to buy from here, kept our SL here. Fucking, it would have gone up. Fuck man. This could have been one of our planned setup. Why didn't I see this? Why didn't I see this? Fine guys, we have made profits today and also no loss in the NFT because I told you that this shouldn't be activated before. So I hope no losses today. Goodbye guys. We're gonna come back in the next news. I'm gonna get that news. Goodbye guys.
हर एक इंसान जिसको